If you want to go ahead and insert out table in Terabox Word Editor, then you can simply press enter and make a space like this, and then click on the insert button and then go around over here onto forms. And then you can go ahead and insert out the table right here. The forms right here is the tables in Terabox. So you can go ahead and choose the rows and column that you want and click and drag to go ahead and rearrange it out as you like. And you can even go ahead and type these in as you like right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can even go ahead and select it right here, and then you can see that you can add a row above, or you can go ahead and add a row below right here, just like by selecting this as well. And you can go ahead and select it and click on delete row right here, just like this, to go ahead and delete it out as well. And as you go around over here, you can even add a column to the left right here, or delete it out as you like as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then work around with Word Editor table, or forms as you may want to call it, inside of Terabox. And you can also go ahead and press the plus button right here, and then you will be able to see the forms and headings that you can choose from and add it in right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with Word Editor tables or forms inside of Terabox Word Editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.